Assalamu alaikum grade 7. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. We are on chapter number 4, page number 37. We have done the transport of water and mineral salt from the roots to the aerial part. Now we are going to study the transport of food. How the food transport inside the plant body. As you know, who prepared the food? The food is prepared by the leaves in the presence of sunlight by the process of photosynthesis. Now the food is there in the leaves. The phloem cells will help, the phloem tissues will help to get the food from the leaves, and they will send it to the upward or downward. Like it can also send them in the fruit part, in the flowering part, or to the stem, or downward to the roots. It depends wherever it needs at that time. Okay, wherever the food is needed, it will be sent by the phloem tissues. Okay, so that process through which the transport of food and mineral salt is done in plant is called translocation. Okay, transpiration was that the transport of water and mineral from the roots to the aerial part, but the translocation is that the transport of food and mineral salt from the phloem tissues in plants. Okay, now the next topic is the transport of gases. As you know, when somebody enters in the room and he is having the good perfume like sprinkled on his body, so if he has applied some good perfume, so as he entered in the room, there will be the fragrance will spread all over the room very quickly. Okay, in the same way, if there is some bad smell in the room or in somewhere, so it will come to your nose very quickly. आप जल्दी से उसको सूंघ लेते हो. Okay, so this process is done by the diffusion, that is diffusion process, by which the gases will move from higher concentration place through the टू द अदर पार्ट्स, के जो बाकी जगह पर जहाँ पर उसकी कोई भी कंसंट्रेशन नहीं है उस खुशबू की, वो वहाँ तक पहुँच जाती है. ठीक है, इसी तरह प्लांट्स में से भी गैसेस की डिफ्यूजन होती है. एज यू नो दैट प्लांट टेक द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड दे लॉस द ऑक्सीजन विच वी यूज़. ओके, सो हाउ दिस हैपन, ये होता कैसे है? That you know that stomata are present inside the leaf. Stomata, small opening holes are there which are present on the leaves. They will get the carbon dioxide from there. Okay, they will get the carbon dioxide from the plants will get the carbon dioxide from through stomata. And how the oxygen will diffuse out from the plant? It will diffuse out from the air spaces between the cell, or it will be go out through the stem or leaf. Okay, in the stem there are also some small openings. आपको पता है यहाँ पर स्टोमेटा नहीं होते, जो हार्ड स्टेम होता है, जो लकड़ी बन जाती है, उसमें स्टोमेटाज नहीं होते. ओके, तो इन लीव्स को जो इन होल्स को हम कहते हैं लेंटिकल्स. ठीक है, इन लेंटिकल्स के थ्रू भी जो गैसेस हैं वो डिफ्यूज़ इन या डिफ्यूज़ आउट हो सकती हैं. ठीक है, इन ये वुडी स्टेम्स हैं. और एट द लास्ट रूट्स ऑब्टेन देयर ऑक्सीजन. अब जो रूट्स हैं वो इनसाइड द सॉइल होती हैं. सो हाउ दे गेट द ऑक्सीजन? सॉइल के अंदर एयर स्पेसेस होती हैं जहाँ पर हवा होती है. एंड एज यू नो दैट इन द एयर देयर इज़ ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट, एंड दैट ऑक्सीजन इज़ मिक्सड विद द सॉइल वाटर, dissolved in the soil water. When the water reaches in the root here or in the root cells, so in this way the dissolved oxygen also go inside the root cells. Okay, so this was our whole chapter. We have done our complete lesson. Now in the next lesson we will do our summer pack and our summer pack worksheet and these question answer. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you are having any problem, then we will discuss in online class. Okay, Allah Hafiz.